Hi, this is Mrs. Corner. Today we're learning about weather. We're going to be learning all about clouds, and I'm so glad that you're here. The first thing we're going to talk about today is atmosphere. Atmosphere is the blanket of air that surrounds the earth. So if you think about a globe sitting here on the table, I don't have one because my globe's at school. You think about a little white blanket wrapping around it. That's what atmosphere is. Atmosphere is everything that happens right in the blanket of air around the earth. Now, when we think about what's going on inside the atmosphere, we're going to be thinking about all the weather that's happening inside the atmosphere. And that's the only place that weather will happen is right inside that blanket of air. Atmosphere is, we had said it earlier, think in your mind, the blanket of air that surrounds the earth. Okay? The blanket of air that surrounds the earth. Now on the picture on your screen, you can see there's kind of a little hazy part around that Earth, that sphere of planet Earth. And right inside that little atmosphere is where all the weather takes place. And it's changing constantly. Inside the atmosphere, weather's changing constantly. Our learning target today is super simple. We're going to learn to identify different types of clouds. So that's our learning target. I can identify 4 types of clouds. And I have to tell you, there's many more than the 4 we're going to learn, but these 4 are generally the ones that you're going to see. Now, clouds are actually the coolest thing. They're water droplets that cling onto little pieces of dust in the atmosphere, the blanket of air that surrounds the earth. Little water droplets grabbing onto those little pieces of dust. That's what atmosphere is. And atmosphere, in that atmosphere, clouds will form. Some will be huge, some will be small, and that's called condensation. They condense into clouds. So we're going to learn a little more about that. Water droplets form in the atmosphere by clinging to dust particles. Now, the 4 kinds of clouds that we're going to learn about today, the first one up in the corner, here I'll put my mouse on it, is cumulus. Cumulus clouds, you can remember, they look just like cotton balls. So you're going to say it with me, cumulus cotton ball. We're going to say it 4 times. Cumulus cotton ball. Cumulus cotton ball. 2 more. Cumulus cotton ball. Cumulus cotton ball. We got 1. The next cloud, I'm going to drag my mouse down here, is cirrus. And I kind of make a little joke about the word, that they're seriously wispy. So cirrus is not the word serious, but we kind of turn it into the word serious for a remembering. So you're going to take your hands up here and make it look like you're pulling out a marshmallow. Cirrus clouds are seriously wispy. We got 2. First one, cumulus. Let's do it. Cumulus cotton ball. 2 more. Cumulus cotton ball. Cumulus cotton ball. Stop. Good. Now, cirrus clouds. I say cirrus clouds, you'll say cirrus clouds are seriously wispy. Seriously wispy. Great. Now, the third one, I'm going to have to stand up. And I want you to stand up too. Okay, when we say stratus clouds, we're going to put our hands and our feet together. We'll say stratus clouds, and you'll say stratus clouds straddle, and put your feet and arms apart, straddle the atmosphere. Cirrus clouds straddle the atmosphere. Cirrus clouds straddle the atmosphere. One more time. Cirrus clouds straddle the atmosphere. Great job. Now, cumulus, those are the ones that are big and mean and ferocious, and they can make tons of thunder and lightning. And so we want to make a mean face, like a mean old face. So you say cumulonimbus. Okay? Cumulonimbus clouds, cumulonimbus. You kind of make your face look mean and scary. Now, we know 4 kinds of clouds. I'm finding my video. First one is cumulus. Let's say it 3 times. Cumulus cotton ball. Cumulus cotton ball. Cumulus cotton ball. The next one is cirrus. Cirrus clouds are seriously wispy. Next one is stratus. Gotta stand up. Stratus clouds straddle the atmosphere. And cumulus clouds, cumulonimbus. The cumulonimbus clouds are the mean ones. They're about to burst and boom and thunder. And I know part of my video is covering that, but that's okay. 4 kinds of clouds. Let's review what we've learned today. Atmosphere is the blanket of Earth that's the blanket of air that surrounds the Earth. Temperature is what we learned yesterday with Ms. Cunahan. Its temperature is hot, how hot or cold it feels, and it can be measured with a thermometer. We also learned that clouds are droplets of water in the atmosphere that are clinging to little particles of dust. And we learned the 4 types of clouds: cumulus, cotton ball; cirrus, seriously wispy; stratus clouds, straddle the atmosphere; and cumulonimbus clouds, cumulonimbus. I hope you've enjoyed learning today. You'll need to make sure to remember these. We're going to be starting a journal tomorrow that you're going to be writing down what kind of clouds you see in the sky each day. Have a great day.